Hi, this is Dan from Feldmann Imports. Today we have a 2019 Mercedes-Benz GLC 300 4MATIC. This has a white exterior and a black interior. Also has a sunroof and moonroof. Let's come around to the back here. You can see the 4MATIC, Mercedes-Benz, and GLC 300 badging. Plenty of space back here in the trunk. Memory seats, door controls. Steering wheel controls. See 13,584 miles. Let's go ahead and start it up. And see our shifter right here. Center console, climate control, radio navigation system, and backup camera. If you'd like to see any more pictures or any more information, check us out on feldmanimports.com.